Welcome to the Avery Review. This is 10 technology facts that will leave you speechless. Tech's speed evolution. The first computer, ENIAC in 1945, weighed 27 tons. Today's smartphones are millions of times more powerful and fit in our pockets. Coding language diversity. There are over 700 programming languages globally, each designed for specific tasks from web development to AI. QR code origins. QR codes were invented in Japan for tracking car parts. Now, they're used worldwide for everything from marketing to contactless payments. Smartphone supercomputers. Modern smartphones are more powerful than the computers that guided Apollo 11 to the moon in 1969. Fastest internet speed. Scientists achieved a record-breaking internet speed of 178 terabits per second using a new type of optical fiber. Cybersecurity challenge. Cyber attacks happen every 39 seconds, highlighting the constant battle to protect digital information. AI creativity. AI algorithms can now create art, music, and even write news articles, blurring the lines between human and machine-generated content. Quantum computing potential. Quantum computers have the potential to solve complex problems in seconds that would take traditional computers thousands of years. Hidden magnetic fields. Your smartphone's compass app detects the Earth's magnetic field, helping you find your way in unfamiliar places. Subscribing to a channel ensures you won't miss updates and helps content creators thrive by boosting their visibility and reach. For more interesting facts, subscribe to the Avery Review.